हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, मैं रोहित सिंह आप सभी का वेलकम करता हूं अपने वी स्टडी ऑल यूट्यूब न्यू चैनल पर। आज इस वीडियो में मैं आपके लिए लेकर आया हूं चैप्टर नंबर 22, जिसका नाम है प्लेइंग विद नंबर्स। एंड इन दिस वीडियो वी विल गोइंग टू सॉल्व एक्सरसाइज 22A, 22B and 22C. All question we are going to solve in this video. So are you excited? So let's start this video right now. Go through with this video and give your suggestions. Because your suggestions give me motivations. Let's start this video right now. So the first problem is given here, my dear students. Here, yeah. So given here in the first problem, the sum of two digits of a two-digit number is 9. So let ones place digit is equal to x. Then tens place digit will be 9 minus x. I hope you understand this thing very well. Now we have to form a two-digit number. Two-digit original number. So two-digit original number here will be 10, and 10 will goes to multiply 10 place digit. जो 10 प्लेस का नंबर है उसके साथ में 10 मल्टीप्लाई करेगा और 1 मल्टीप्लाई करेगा जो 1 प्लेस पे डिजिट है, दैट इज x. सो नाउ सिंप्लीफाई दिस. सो वी हैव 90 minus 10x plus 1x. So now the final number we have, my dear students, 90 minus 9x. Now according to question, the sum of the number is 6 times the unit digit. So here according to question, the condition is given that, and the condition is that unit digit is here 6x, and it will be 6 times of the number of two-digit number 90 minus 9x. This 9x when goes to the left hand side become positive 9x is equal to 90. 9x plus 6x will be 15x and is equal to 90. Now cancel out. 15 1 ja 15 and 15 6 ja is 90. So here so what we have now, beta, x is equal to, we have x is equal to, we have 6, but we have to find a two-digit number. So now original two-digit number is equal to 90 minus 9x. At the place of x, 90 minus 9 multiply 6. So we have 90 minus 54, and the final answer we have from here, that will be 36. Yes. So this is the answer we have now. Now comes to the question number second. The question number second is given here. The sum of the digits of a two-digit number is 7. So again here two digits are given and their sum is 7 is given. So here I can assume let ones place digit is x, then 10 place digit will be 7 minus x. Okay, my dear students, then original 2-digit number will be 10 की मल्टीप्लाई जो 10 प्लेस पे नंबर है दैट इज 7 माइनस एक्स, और 1 की मल्टीप्लाई जो 1 प्लेस पे नंबर है उससे करेंगे. सो नाउ वी हैव बेटा, नाउ सिंप्लीफाई दिस, 70 minus 10x plus 1x. So finally we have from here 70 minus 9x. This is a 2-digit number here. Now according to question what is given, let's check. If the digits are reversed, so what is the number is formed after reversing the digit? At the place 10 will goes to multiply 1 place digit and plus, and 1 will goes to multiply 10 place digit, like this. Okay, if the digits are reversed, the new number increase by 3, and it is, the question is saying that कि जो नया नंबर हमें मिला है, this is a new number, this will increase 3, so we will add 3 of and equals, और equal होगा 4 times the original. तो जो ओरिजिनल नंबर है उसके 4 टाइम के इक्वल हो जाएगा भाई ये नंबर. ये बात भी ध्यान रखनी है आपको, एंड दिस इज द मेन स्टेप ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन. सो 10x प्लस 7 माइनस x प्लस 3 विल इक्वल टू 280 minus 36x after simplify this. Now simplify more. So we have here in the left hand side 9x plus 10x, and in the right hand side we have 280 minus 36x. Negative 36x when transport to the left hand side, because in right hand side they are negative, they will become positive. तो ये जाके भाई लेफ्ट साइड में पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा 36x, और जो प्लस के 10 है लेफ्ट साइड में ये नेगेटिव हो जाएंगे जब लेफ्ट हैंड साइड से राइट हैंड साइड में आएंगे. So 280 minus 10. So now we have 45x is equal to 270. So if you have a good command on table, so you can do this calculation very easily. So here 45 6 is 270. So x again is here 6. Now we have to find the 2-digit number. So this is our 2-digit number. Put here x is equal to 7. So 70 minus 9 minus 6. So we have 70 minus 54, and the final answer is 16. So 16 is our final answer of this question. I hope you understand this question very well. So let's move to the question number 3. Now in question number 3, read the question number 3 and try to understand. The sum of the number of 2-digit and the number formed by reversing the digit is 110, and the difference of the digit is 6. Here the difference of digit is given 6. So what is the process we have to apply here? What will be our strategy to solve this question? So the strategy is very clear. First we have to assume 1 place digit. Let one's place digit is equal to x. Then 10 place digit will be here 6 plus x. In the case of difference, now it will going to be add. Now original 2-digit number will be original 2-digit number is equal to 10 goes to multiply 10 place digit, and 1 goes to multiply 1 place digit. After simplifying we have 60 plus 10x plus 1x, and finally the 2-digit number we have 60 plus 11x. This is our 2-digit number. Now according to question, what is given? The sum of a number of 2 digit, जो 2 डिजिट का नंबर है उसका सम किससे किया जाए? जो नंबर रिवर्स करके बना, यानी 10 प्लेस से तो मल्टीप्लाई हो जाए 1 प्लेस डिजिट, और 1 प्लेस से मल्टीप्लाई हो जाए बेटा 10 प्लेस डिजिट जो 6 + x है, ऐसे हो जाए। तो इनका जो सम आता है वो 110 दिया हुआ है क्वेश्चन में। नाउ सिंप्लीफाई दिस, 11x and 10x and 1x will be 22x, 60 and 6 will be 66 equal to 110. Now 22x is equal to 110 minus 66, 22x is equal to 44, yes, and 22 cuts 44 2 times, so x will be here 2. Now we have to find the original number. So the original number will be here 60 plus 11 into 2, that is 60 plus 22, and the final answer is 82. Is it clear to you? Please comment quickly. Now comes to the question number 4. A certain number between 10 to 100. When we are talking about a number which is between 10 to 100, it is definitely and certainly a 2-digit number. Okay, so first we have to assume, let's ones place digit. Ones place digit of this number here. Now read the question. Is 8 times the sum of its digit. A certain number between 10 to 100 is 8 times द सम ऑफ इट डिजिट, जो उसकी डिजिट है उसका 8 टाइम्स है वो ओरिजिनल नंबर। अगर यहाँ पर मैं मान लेता हूँ एंड इफ 45 इज सब्ट्रैक्टेड, इफ मैं यहाँ पर मान लेता हूँ 1 प्लेस डिजिट x है, क्योंकि यहाँ पर डिजिट के अंदर कोई रिलेशन नहीं दिया गया तो हमको 10 प्लेस डिजिट यहाँ पर माननी होगी। 10 प्लेस डिजिट इज इक्वल टू y, देन ओरिजिनल 2 digit number will be here 10y plus x. Okay, now according to question, 8 times the sum of its digit. A 2 digit number, अगर मैं दोनों डिजिट का सम करूं और जो 2 डिजिट नंबर है वो 2 डिजिट नंबर इस सम का 8 टाइम्स है, तो इस सम में मैं 8 की मल्टीप्लाई कर देता हूं। ये कंडीशन दी हुई है बेटा, फर्स्ट कंडीशन इसने। नाउ सिंप्लीफाई, 8x plus 8y is equal to 10y plus x. Now what we have, this 8y goes to right hand side and this x goes to left hand side. So we have 8x minus x. Now we have 10y minus 8y, sorry, 8y. So we have 7x is equal to 2y. So from here we can say that x upon y is equal to 2 upon 7. So from this ratio we can say that x, what is the x here? So x may be here 2k, let assume 2k, one variable with this ratio, and y will be 7k. Okay my dear students, now what is the further condition is given here, let's check it out. So now if 47 is subtracted from it, जो भी नंबर दिया गया है हमें 10y plus x में से अगर मैं 45 को सब्ट्रैक्ट करता हूं, देन फ्रॉम इट द डिजिट विल बी रिवर्स्ड, और डिजिट क्या हो जाती है, रिवर्स हो जाती है, 10x plus y हो जाता है नंबर। नाउ सोल्व दिस, so we have 10y minus y plus x minus 10x is equal to 45. So from here we have 9y minus 9x is equal to 45. Now we have 9 is equal to y minus x is equal to 45. This 9 cuts this 45 5 times. So y minus x is equal to 5. Now put the value of x and y from here. So 7k minus 2k is equal to 5, and their difference will be 5k is equal to 5, and this 5 cut this one time. So k will be here 1. K will be here 1. Now what we have to find? We have to find a 2-digit number. So the 2-digit number we have here beta 10 into 7k. Ten into 7k plus 2k. Now we have 70 into 1 because the value of k is 1 and 10 7 ja, and 2 multiply 1, so we have 72 is the answer. So the original number is 72. So 22 exercise is complete here. Now move to the 22b, and here we have to check the divisibility of 2. So for that we just draw one table here. Like this, for question number 1. This table is for question number 1. Here I will take number, here I will write the rule, and here I will check the divisibility. Okay. So first number is given here beta 57. So divisibility of 2 says that unit place digit here, unit place digit, that is 7, and according to the divisibility rule of 2, the unit place digit must be even. So here the answer will be no. What about 34? So the unit place digit here 4, so yes. In 60 the unit place digit is 0, so yes, it is divisible. Again 93, the unit place digit is 3, so it is not even, it is a odd number, so answer will be no. 126, the unit place digit is 6, so yes, it is divisible by 2. The next number is 365, so unit place digit is 5, so no, because it is odd number. And 890, so 0 is the rule. If unit place digit is 0, then the number will be divisible by 2, so the answer will be yes. And 992, so unit place digit again is 2, so yes, it is also divisible. I hope you understand this thing very well. Now comes to the divisibility of 3. For question number 2, how can you solve the question number 2? In the same fashion we will solve. For first 42 is given here. Let's solve this. So first we check 4 plus 2, the sum is 6, and we can say that 6 is the multiple of 3. So my dear students, 42 is divisible by 3. Got it? Now second 73. So let's solve this. Check first. 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. So we can say that 10 is not the multiple of 3. So it means that 73 is not divisible by 3. Okay, now in the same manner you can solve all the question. I will do one more, 1915. So let's solve this. 91 plus 1 plus 5, so we have 15, and 15 is the multiple of 3, so it is divisible by 3. I hope you got it how to solve this question now. So now the divisibility of 4, the rule of divisibility of 4 says that the unit place digit must be 0 and 5. So if I am solving question number 3, 30, so here unit place digit, unit place digit is equal to 0, so it is divisible by 5. Again 49 is given here, the unit place digit is 9 here, so it is not divisible by 5. 75, the unit place digit is 5 here, so it is divisible by 5. 210, unit place digit is 0, so it is divisible by 5 again. 305, unit place digit is 5 here, again divisible by 5. 640, the unit place digit is 0 here, so it is divisible by 5. 740, the unit place digit is 4 here, so it is not divisible by 5. Now comes to the divisibility of 9, as the sum of all digits in a given number must be the multiple of 9. The divisibility rule of 9 is that the sum of all digit must be the multiple. The sum of all digit must be the multiple of 9. So here we will take the first question of question number 4. Question number 4, part 1, that is 36, and we can solve this question in that way. 3 plus 6, that is 9. So we can write 9 is the multiple of 9. So 36 is divisible by 9. In the same fashion, if I come to check 936, so here the solution, 9 plus 3 plus 6, and the sum is 18. So we can say that 18 is the multiple of 9. So 936 is divisible by 9. So the remaining question here you can solve yourself. It is not a very tough thing. Now comes to the next question, question number 5, divisibility of 10, and the rule is that the unit place digit is 0. So here the unit place digit is not 0, so it is not divisible by 10. Here the unit place digit is 0, so it is divisible by 10. 140, the unit place digit is 0, so it is divisible by 10. 400, the unit place digit is 0, so it is divisible by 10. 670, so unit place digit is 0 here, so it is divisible by 5. 895, so unit place digit is 5 here, so it is not divisible by 10. 985, again the unit place digit is 5 here, so it is not divisible by 10. 990, the unit place digit is 0 here, so it is divisible by 10. I hope you understand this question very well and can do yourself. Now comes to the exercise 22C, as the one of my students requested to me, so please solve me exercise 22C. So here is the solution of exercise 22C, Mr. Ujjwal. You can check and go through with this exercise and solve your problems. Thank you very much for asking me the doubt. Your doubts motivates me to make this video for you and all the viewers. So now question number 1, here we have to replace the digits. We have to replace the digits. So see this question very so first we have to look the first column very carefully. This is our first column, 2C6 plus. So what we have to do, my dear student, here, so question number 1, part A. So first we have to write सी replace by. So the sum of 2 and 6 is 8. What should I have to add in 8? So the unit place digit come here 5. So I have to add 7, that will be 15. Am I right? And 1 is carry forward then. 1 is carry forward. Now we have to replace D. So 7 plus 5 again D replaced by, so C replaced by here 7. So D replaced by, so 7 plus 5 plus 1 is equal to beta 13. So what should I have to add in 13? So that I've got 7. 4 if I add then I've got 17. 17 का 7 and 1 क्या हो जाता है, कैरी फॉरवर्ड हो जाता है. ऐसे तो जोड़ते हैं बेटा हम. Now we have to replace A. So it will be replaced by 4. A replace by. A replaced by. So we have here 8 plus 2, that will be 9. So what should I have to add here? So that, and one more plus 1 is also there. So that is 10. What should I have to add in 10? 7. That will be 17. 17 का 7 and 1 again carry forward. So A replaced by here 7. So this is the way we have to find our answers. Now we have to find B. B replaced by which number? So 4 plus 9 plus 1, 10, that is 14. What should I have to add in 14 so that I get unit place is 7? So 3, that will be 17. So B replaced by 3 and E replaced by, because 1 is carry forward and 1 is here, by 1. E replaced by 1. So this is the solution of question number 1. Question number 2 is wrong because 2 variables never comes in one column. Then it is not possible for us. So it is the wrong question here. Now comes to the next question. That is C. C is given here beta again. What comes at the place of A? First C. So we can say that A replace by. A replaced by which number? So that will be 5, because 5 5s are 25 and 2 is carry forward. Okay, so 2 is here. So now 5 2s are 10 and 2 12 and 2 here, then 1 is carry forward. Okay, then 5 1s are 5 and 1 6. So C replaced by, C replaced by, you can see 1 goes to multiply 5 and 1 is carry forward वाला लेंगे तो कितना आएगा, 6 आएगा. तो C replaced by 6 here. Now at this place cross sign is here. 1 goes to multiply this 5 because 5 is here. So we can say that F replaced by, F replaced by 5, E replaced by, क्योंकि 1 goes to multiply किससे, 2 से. So A replaced by 2 and D replaced by 1. 1 की मल्टीप्लाई 1 से करेंगे तो कितना आएगा, आंसर 1 आएगा. नाउ यहाँ पर 2 एरो है 0 के लिए. अब B के लिए जगह हम क्या ले, ये आ जाए हमारा. तो देखिएगा सम हमारा कितना आ रहा है बेटा, 8 आ रहा है यहाँ पर सम. और C की जगह हमारे पास क्या है, C के लिए हमारे पास 6 है और E के लिए हमारे पास क्या है, 2 है. 6 and 2 8. तो यहाँ पर 0 आया हुआ है. ठीक है ना, तो ये तो हमारा क्लियर है. तो अब B की जगह क्या लिया जाए कि ये यहाँ पर 0 आ जाए. तो अगर B की जगह मैं 2 लूँगा तो कितना होता है बेटा, 5 2 जा 10 होता है, यस या नो, यस या नो। अगर मैं यहाँ पर 2 लूंगा तो 2 की मल्टीप्लाई 5 में होगी, जब भी तो यहाँ पर 0 आया होगा बेटा, सोचो थोड़ा सा, ठीक है। और डी की जगह हमारा पहले से क्या है, 1 है एट द प्लेस ऑफ डी, ठीक है। अब 2 की मल्टीप्लाई इस 2 से करोगे तो 4 आएगा, तो जी की जगह यहाँ पर 4 आ जाएगा। और 1 क्या हुआ है बेटे, यहाँ से कैरी फॉरवर्ड हुआ है, ठीक है ना। 1 क्या हुआ है बेटा, कैरी फॉरवर्ड हुआ है। क्लियर आई? So here you can say that b replaced by 2। अगर b replaced by 2 होगा तो जो आपका g है वो किससे रिप्लेस होएगा, देखिएगा यहाँ पर g किससे रिप्लेस होएगा बेटा, g रिप्लेस होएगा 2 2 जा 4, सो 4 आएगा यहाँ पर, तो g रिप्लेस बाय 4, g replaced by 4। now do this further, h will replace by 2 2, yes। now add this, j replaced by 5, j replaced by 5 here, k replaced by f is equal to here beta 5 and 2 7, f replaced by 7 and then 8, then this, and h is replaced by, because d is here 1 5 6, h replaced by 2। so this is the answer of question number 3। I hope you understand this question very well। now take another problem from this d problem। what is the d problem? so I'll show you here, a 51 37 b5 740, come here 1 cd e f g and 0। now I will do this clearly, what will come at the place of which number। so let's do it, this problem very quickly। now think once, when will 1 is come here, when a is replaced by 8, then is 1 come here only possible, okay my dear students, yes। and c replaced by, because we have to subtract this, so c replaced by 5 में से 4 गया 1, so c replaced by 1, और 1 में से 0 गया तो d रिप्लेस बाय 1 अगेन। सो यहाँ पर कितना है बेटा, c की जगह भी 1 है और d की जगह भी 1 है। अब 7 से मल्टीप्लाई करनी है, यहाँ पर कितना है 8, ओके। यहाँ पर कितना दिया हुआ है 8 दिया हुआ है। तो b हमें किससे रिप्लेस करना है ये हमें सोचना था, तो b रिप्लेस बाय 2, b रिप्लेस बाय 2। okay, now what we have, 37 5s are how much, so 37 multiply 5 7s are, so 5 7s are is 35, 3 carry forward, 5 3s are 15 and 3 18, so here 1 let's see this question again। at the place of a 8 will come, at the place of b 2 will come, at the place of c 1 is come, at the place of d 1 is come, or at the place of e 1 is come, at the place of f 1 is come, or at the place of G 1 is come. This is the thing I already tell you. When this thing is 1 1 1, so this thing is also 1 1 1, because here is 3 and in my multiply I'll take 5. So this is the difference. Yeah. Now comes to the question number 2. There is a series given here: 5 6 3, 5 8 2, 6 0 2, 6 7 7, 5 7 5 3, 8 4 8. So the difference from here to here is 19, and the difference from here to here is 18, 2 times of this, and the difference from here to here is now 3 times, now 4 times, now 5th time, and now is 5 times. So if I add 484 with 114, so we have 2 5 6 and 7 and 9, sorry. And this is the answer of this question. I hope you understand this question very well now. Now comes to the second part of this question. 17 17 51 255 1685 16065. We have to find one more question. So it is 17 1 ja 17. Now 17 3 ja. Now 51 5 ja. So you can see the logic here. Now 2 2 5 7 ja. Now 1 7 8 5 9 ja. So it will be 16065 11 ja. So that will be 5 6 0 6 1 5 6 0 6 1. So 5 11 1 7 6 7 1. So this is the answer of this problem now. I hope you understand this problem also very well. Now comes to the third problem. In third problem, in first graph is given that 9, we can say that is the square of 3. 36, we can say that is square of 6. 25, we can say that is square of 5. And 16 is the square of 4. Now if I add 3 plus 6 plus 5 plus 4, so I have got 18. So this is the way I have got this 18. So in the same manner here we have 64. 64 can be the square of 8. Now we have 9, that will be the square of 3. Now we have 1, that will be the square of 1. And now we have x, but we don't know. This is we have to find here. So if I add 8 plus 3 plus 1 plus x. So here what I have 11 and 12 plus x, but what I have to find 6 maybe remain. So x is replaced by 6. X is replaced by 36 because 36. This x is not the part of this calculation. So here in 12 we have to add 6. So that I get 18. How can I get 18? When this x is replaced by 36, because 36 is the square of 6. Clear? Very good. So the answer of D answer is the correct answer of this question. Now comes to this question. This is very question. A, B and B, A. That will be the A option. Because 24 is come here. 12 to the 24. Clear? Yes. Now comes to this question. 91 square of 2. We subtract from here. So we have 87. In second one again 81 square of 3 is 9. So we have 72. So what will come here? 16 square of 4 question mark, that will become 1. So which option you will choose from A, B, C, D? So 17 minus 16 will be 1 hota hai. तो A is the right option. Now move to this. We have to 15. So 4 plus 6, 4 plus 2 is 6. If you subtract this from 15, so you have 9. So 9 will come here. Again 2 plus 6. In this row now 2 plus 6 will be 8, and if you subtract this 8 from this, so that's 7. So 7 will come here, 1 is come here, and 3 will come here, and this is the complete. This is the solution of question number of 12. Now solve this question. So the trick for this is this circle and this circle and this circle. The sum of these three circles must be 15. Then you can solve this question within a second. Now I'll choose, if I'll take 1 here, 9 here, and 5 here. So 10 remaining. What are the two numbers may be here? 7 and 3 may be here. Now the sum is here 14. So 2 and 4 may be here, and 5, 6 here. So we remain 7. So 8 and 6 remaining here. So 8 and 6 will come here. So that is also 20, that is 20, and that is 20. I hope you understand this question very well. Now these are good questions. Now comes to question number 9. 19 हेक्सागन विद इन इट 19 हेक्सागन दिए गए हैं, जिनका सम हमें क्या लाना है बेटा? 38 लाना है. तो देखो बहुत अच्छी ट्रिक है. 15 plus 13. 15 plus 13 how much? Tell me. 15 plus 13 is equal to 28. 28 is less than 38. How much? 10. So 10 will come here. Now 10 and 12. First we go from here to here and complete this. Now 10 plus 12 is 22, and 22 and 16 is 38. Now we complete this way. Now complete this way. 16 and 3 is 19. So 19 will come here. Okay, my dear students. Okay. Now what I do? Yes, I'll take here. I just complete this one now. 15 and 14 is 29, and 29 and 9 this. Now so this way and this way we will complete. Now this and this we complete. 20, then it is 18. 18 and 3 is 21. 21 and 17 is 38 again here. Now this way I will solve this. Add them. 10 and so 1 will come here. Okay, now add this, this and this. So 20, 31, 31 and 7 is 38 again here. Now this way we will use the reasoning. 12 और 7 19, 19 और 17 36. So 2 will come here, 2 will come here, and now I'll solve this line here. 12 और 14 26, 26 और 4 30, 30 और 8 38. Now we will solve this way. 11 और 8 19, 19 और 13 32 और 32 और 6. So now no number we have to repeat here, and we solve this in a second. It is a very good game. It is a game. It is a game. Just play this game like this. I play, and I enjoy to play this game very much. Now the next question we have, the pattern is given here. When 0 goes to multiply 9 and add 1, so 1 will come here. So in the same manner 11. Now we have to complete this. So now 1 2 3 goes to multiply 8, then 3 will come. So यहाँ पर पहले 9 था, फिर 8 आया, यानी 1 कम हो गया. अब थर्ड स्टेप में क्या होगा? एक नंबर और बढ़ेगा बट छोटा आ जाएगा. फिर उससे आगे बढ़ेंगे, 4 आ जाएगा, 8 आ जाएगा, +4 हो जाएगा, 4 नंबर है तो +4 होएगा, 3 नंबर की मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं तो 3 ऐड होएगा, और 4 नंबर का ये आंसर आएगा और एक कम होता चला जाएगा बस। 5 से 5 ऐड हो जाएगा और 9 8 7 6 5 आ जाएगा। 1 2 3 4 5 6 मल्टीप्लाई 8 + 6 आ जाएगा, तो 9 8 7 6 5 4 आ जाएगा। नाउ 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 मल्टीप्लाई 8 + 7 आ जाएगा, 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 आ जाएगा। तो इस तरह आप इस पैटर्न को पूरा 10 टर्म तक पूरा कर सकते हैं। 7 तक मैंने कर दिया है। नाउ मूव टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। ये पैटर्न दिया हुआ है बेटा, कोई भी चूज एनी 4 डिजिट्स। फॉर एग्जाम्पल कोई भी 4 डिजिट लीजिए, पहली डिजिट को रिपीट कर दीजिए पीछे जैसे यहाँ पर किया है, और इन सबका डिफरेंस निकाल लीजिए। फिर फर्स्ट डिजिट को रिपीट कर दीजिए पीछे, फिर डिफरेंस निकाल दिए, और जब तक निकालना है जब तक ये डिफरेंस चारों डिजिट का एक जैसा ना आ जाए। जैसे इसमें क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 दिया हुआ है 4 5 5 2 एंड रिपीट दिस 4 हेयर। नाउ फाइंड द डिफरेंस। 5 एंड 4 का डिफरेंस 1, 5 एंड 5 का डिफरेंस 0, 2 एंड 5 का डिफरेंस 3, 4 और 2 का डिफरेंस 2। नाउ रिपीट 1 हेयर, दिस विल गोज टू रिपीट। नाउ द डिफरेंस इज 1, now the difference is 3, now the difference is 1, and now the difference is 1. Now repeat 1, now the difference is 2, now the difference is 2, this difference is 0, this difference is 0. Now repeat 2, now this difference is 0 here, this difference is 2 here, this difference is 0, and this difference is 2. Now repeat 0, now the difference 2, now the difference 2, now the difference 2, and now the difference 2. So this is the pattern we have to find, and this way you have to solve this question, this question, this question, and this question. Any digit I will take any digit you can take here. Okay, so you can solve this question also yourself. It is a very easy question, no problem. It is a fun game. Now you may want to try this with your calculator. 753 लिया, 753 को रिपीट किया, फिर इसको डिवाइड किया 13 से, फिर 11 से डिवाइड किया, और फिर आपने 7 से डिवाइड किया, तो वही नंबर आ गया जो आपने लिया था। तो मैं इसका क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 कर देता हूँ, कोई भी एनी नंबर ले लेता हूँ, ठीक है ना। ये रिमेनिंग क्वेश्चन आप खुद कर लेना। मैंने जैसे अपनी डेट ऑफ बर्थ ली 12/4, 12 अप्रैल। ओके, नाउ आई रिपीट 1 2 4, एंड नाउ repeat this, divide by 13. So how many times? I think 9 times. 117. What we have remaining? 3 and 4, 7 remaining. 1 will copy. 5 times 65. 6 is remaining. 2 copy. Again 5 times, not 5 times, 4 times. Now we have 4 and 10, so 8 times 104. Now 9 5 4 8, इसको डिवाइड करो बेटा 11 से, so 8 times 88. We have 257. 4 copy. 6 times 66. Now we have 8 and 8. Now 8 times 88. Now 8 6 8 को डिवाइड करिए 7 से। 1 टाइम 7 1 6, 2 टाइम 14, 2 8, एंड 4 टाइम। देखिएगा दोबारा से वही नंबर आ गया है। तो रिमेनिंग क्वेश्चन आपको ऐसे अपने आप से करने हैं। आइए अगले क्वेश्चन की ओर। ये पास्कल लॉ दिया गया है। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन में राइट 8 ऑफ द पास्कल ट्राइंगल। 8 रो आपको पता करनी है। तो कैसे पैटर्न दिया गया है देखिएगा। यहाँ पे 1 नंबर था, फिर उसको 2 बार रिपीट कर दिया, फिर क्या किया, इन दोनों को जोड़कर बीच में लिख दिया, ठीक है। फिर जब ये 4th रो में आए तो इन दोनों को जोड़ा, ये 3 लिख दिया, फिर 2 और 3 को जोड़ा, ये लिख दिया। तो वैसे ही मेरे पास 1, 6, 15, 20, 15, 6 और 1 है। ठीक है, तो सबसे पहले क्या लिखूंगा मैं, 1 लिखूंगा। अब इन दोनों को ऐड करूंगा 7, अब इन दोनों को ऐड करूंगा फिर 7, इन दोनों को ऐड करूंगा 6, इन दोनों को ऐड करूंगा 25, इन दोनों को ऐड करूंगा 21, इन दोनों को ऐड करूंगा 6, इन दोनों को ऐड करूंगा 11, इन दोनों को ऐड करूंगा 7 एंड 1 अगेन रिपीट। इज इट क्लियर टू यू नाउ? What is the sum of the number row? Write row 9 of the Pascal. This is the 8th row, and in the same manner you can write 9 row. What is the sum of the number row 1? 1 का क्या सम है बेटा? एक ही नंबर है तो इसका सम 1 आएगा ट्राइंगल में। What is the sum of the number row 3? 3 का क्या आ जाएगा? 1 plus 2 plus 1 that is 4 आ जाएगा। फाइंड द सम ऑफ द नंबर रो 8। 8 का सम आप इन सबको ऐड कर दीजिए, इन सबको ऐड कर कर जो भी आपके पास आएगा वो ही आपका इसका आंसर होगा। क्लियर है मेरे बेटा? समझ में आई ये बात? दैट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 14। yes, so thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, so please share with your friends and hit the bell icon for more updates. Thank you very much. Good night. Take care.